Hey guys, welcome back to Douglas's Model Garage's videos here. I just want to show you some upcoming projects or open it up cars I'm going to be doing some redos. So I'm going to, since I have like 6 or 7 of this one, I'm going to try open it up and redo it the way I want it. And I have a model kit at the hobby shop of this one waiting on me. So I want to open this one up and I'm going to do it like the model kit I have waiting for me. So match the two together and make them look good. And this one particular project right here, I seen a real solid white patrol car the company uses right around me. And I'm going to open that one up and redo that one. And I have some stash ads to show you too, guys. So the first one is not open yet. It's a sealed kit. It's the 66 Buick Wildcat. Let me see. This is a nice big Buick. Kind of like I Need My Garage Times style of cars that he likes building. And I look forward to building this one. It looks pretty good. It's actually from 2008. So that looks like a good build. I haven't built any big GM cars in a while. So that'd be a fun build right there. And we got the next one. This one I've been trying to get for the longest time off eBay. But every time I get it, somebody snatches it up right from under me. And for the price I got it for is actually a steal, because all together with shipping and the last ending price was probably about $31, $32 and I was able to get it. I tried to get another one. They were asking $35 on it, and it went higher and higher, so I let that one go. But this is all here, and it's a cool little escort XR3. So it's I couldn't find an American escort, but this will do. I mean, it's still cool. I don't mind the British cars and European cars. And speaking of British cars, I know you've probably seen me build one of these on my channel. A redo. It was a green one, but I found another of the Saints Jag XJS, and this one is not a rebuilder. Let me show you real quick. So this is not a rebuilder. It has the original stuff in here from 79 or 80, I think it is, or 81. But it has all this stuff in here. Revell Modelers Club. It has an ad. This is kind of cool right here. I mean, this is showing its age, but this is the 9-piece Model Builders toolkit that you can get for free through the Young Model Builders of America Club. And this is some of the cars that you could get along with it, or kits, I should say. You have the helicopter up there, the Yamaha 250, the T-Bone Shaker model pickup right there. And it looks pretty good, that little pickup. And then you have the Army, Don the Snake Pardua's rear engine dragster. Sorry if I butchered that up, guys. So, but yeah, and this is kind of interesting. It says on the application here all the information, where to send it to, which one you want to get. And then it says if you're a guardian, under 18, parent signature if under 18. And other question is do you have a telephone? Yes, no. And I kind of wonder, back in the day, did we all have telephones? I don't know. But anyways, let me just show you what's in this one. Got the simple instructions. So this is a nice, quick build, but highly detailed Jag. So you got the glass going in there, interior going together. Got the interior going on there, the rear differential going on the frame. Got the front suspension, the rims going together, and we also got the final assembly going on right here. And we got what looks to be the grill attaching to the front bumper here. And yeah, about 19-20 steps. Very cool little Jag right here. And yeah, I just want to show you that, guys. And here it is what it looks like when it is not built. So if you ever get one, this is what you're in store for. Molded in white. Here's the clear parts and the decals. And there's those taillights, which mine was missing one headlight, or I should say it flew to no man's land after I took it apart. This is the black parts of it. So I just want to show you that, and you guys have a good day, and thanks for watching, guys. All right, bye.